Are you excited about our new series? Introducing the all-new Possibilities Nursery Learning Kit, designed to make learning exciting, engaging, and so fun. A treasure chest of tools to spark creativity, develop skills, and inspire little minds. And yes, the infinite possibilities of a learning adventure starts here. Explore 8 vibrantly designed books, thoughtfully created by expert educators to inspire joyful learning, aligned with the NCF Foundational Stage 2022. With a play-based approach, these books are perfect for nurturing curiosity and joyful learning. This box is packed with flashcards for fun and interactive learning. Feel the learning come alive with 3D textured flashcards, perfect for sensory tracing. Match and play with puzzle flashcards to build focus and problem-solving skills. And just when you thought it was over, there's more. Ta-da! Say hello to this adorable finger puppet, ready to bring stories to life and spark your child's imagination. Perfect for storytelling, role play, and building communication skills, turning every moment into an exciting adventure. Learning, play, and fun, all wrapped in one magical kit. The Possibility Nursery Learning Kit is waiting for your little one.